We are indebted to a tradition, a chain of witnesses who have made it possible for the good news of the gospel to be in every generation both good and news. And today we remember one of those witnesses who testified to the joy of the gospel in these lands, Father Junipero Serra. He was the embodiment of a church which goes forth, a church which sets out to bring everywhere the reconciling tenderness of God. Junipero Serra left his native land and its way of life. He was excited about blazing trails, going forth to meet many people, learning and valuing the particular customs and ways of life. He learned how to bring to birth and nurture God's life in the faces of the native community, of everyone he met. Junipero sought to defend the dignity of the native community, to protect it from those who had mistreated and abused it. Mistreatment and wrongs which today still trouble us, especially because of the hurt which they cause in the lives of many people. Father Serra had a motto which inspired his life and work, a saying he lived his life by. Siempre adelante. Keep moving forward. For him, thus, this was the way to continue experiencing the joy of the gospel, to keep his heart from growing numb